Hi everyone! Today, we're showcasing the best Mido watches based on their specifications. Check the description for links to each watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Let's begin. Number 9. Mido Men's Automatic Diving Watch Ocean Star 200 Sea Green M Body 430 11.91. Watch is a stylish and functional diving watch for the modern adventurer. Its 42.5mm stainless steel case features a ceramic unidirectional rotating bezel, offering both durability and a touch of luxury. The green dial with wave-like pattern adds a sporty touch, while the luminous hands and indexes ensure readability underwater. Powered by a reliable Swiss automatic movement, this Mido boasts an 80-hour power reserve, keeping you on time even without frequent wear. With a water resistance of 200 meters and a screw-down crown, it's well-equipped for diving and water activities. The comfortable stainless steel bracelet completes the package, making the Mido Ocean Star 200C a perfect blend of style, performance, and Swiss watchmaking tradition. Number 8. Mido Watch Men Black Ocean Star 200 Automatic Mido Caliber 80 is a sleek and robust timepiece built for both style and underwater adventure. Crafted from high-grade 316L stainless steel, the 42.5mm case offers durability and a polished look. A unidirectional rotating bezel with a black ceramic insert allows divers to track elapsed dive time, while the screw-down crown ensures water resistance up to 200 meters. The black dial features luminous hands and indexes with Superluminova R for clear readability even in low-light conditions. Powered by the reliable Mido Caliber 80, a Swiss automatic movement, the watch boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve, keeping you on time even after taking it off for the weekend. The Mido Ocean Star 200 Automatic in black is a perfect combination of function, sophistication, and Swiss watchmaking heritage, making it a dependable companion for any journey. Number 7. Mido Ocean Star Decompression. Worldtimer is a fusion of vintage charm and modern technology, ideal for the well-traveled adventurer. This Swiss automatic watch boasts a classic stainless steel case with a polished finish, reminiscent of 1960s dive watches. However, it transcends nostalgia with a Worldtime bezel featuring major cities and a red GMT hand for tracking an additional time zone. The Mido Caliber 80, a Swiss automatic movement with an 80-hour power reserve, ensures reliable timekeeping across continents. Divers will appreciate the 200-meter water resistance and screw-down crown, while the colorful vintage-inspired dial with luminous hands offers both style and functionality. The Mido Ocean Star Decompression Worldtimer is a timepiece that celebrates exploration, keeping you on time and in style wherever your travels take you. Number 6. Mido Automatic Watch Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite M038.4224.233.061.00 offers a perfect blend of sporty design and reliable functionality. This Swiss-made timepiece features a 42mm stainless steel case with a black PVD coating, exuding a sleek and contemporary feel. The anthracite dial with silver-toned hands and indexes provides excellent readability, while the power reserve indicator at 9 o'clock keeps you informed about remaining battery life. Powered by a Swiss automatic Mido Caliber 80 movement based on the ETA C07 631, the watch boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve, ensuring it keeps ticking even after a weekend off your wrist. With a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, 100-meter water resistance, and a comfortable steel bracelet, the Mido Multifort Power Reserve Anthracite is a versatile and dependable watch for the everyday wearer seeking a touch of sporty elegance. Number 5. Mido Multifort M Chronometer M038.431.11.097.000 is a watch that prioritizes both precision and style. Certified by the CHRONOMETER, Contrôle Officiel Suisse de Chronomètre, its Swiss caliber 80, based on ETA C07.821, automatic movement guarantees exceptional timekeeping. This high-tech core offers an impressive 80-hour power reserve, keeping you on time even after extended periods off your wrist. The 42 mm stainless steel case exudes a sophisticated air, while the green dial with silver hands and Arabic numerals offers a sporty touch. Scratch resistance comes courtesy of a sapphire crystal, and the watch boasts 100-meter water resistance for everyday wear. The Mido Multifort M chronometer is a reliable and stylish timepiece that combines Swiss heritage, COSC certified accuracy, and a touch of sporty flair. Number 4. Mido Commander Big Date M 021626110610 AnthraciteSteel 1 size is a Swiss-made watch that bridges classic design with modern functionality. Its 316L stainless steel case features a sophisticated anthracite PVD coating, offering a contemporary twist on a timeless style. This complements any attire, making it suitable for work or a night out. At the heart of the watch lies a reliable Swiss automatic caliber 80 movement, based on the ETA C07.651, with an impressive 80-hour power reserve. The highlight of the watch is the oversized date window at 3 o'clock, ensuring easy readability with a single glance. A scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the watch face, and 50-meter water resistance allows you to wear it with confidence during daily activities. Mido's Commander Big Date AnthraciteSteel is a blend of style, functionality, and Swiss heritage, built to be a reliable companion for years to come. Number 3. Mido Watchman Commander Gradient Automatic Mido Caliber 80 Base ETA C07.611 Watch. A unique blend of elegance and modern technology. Crafted from polished 316L stainless steel, the 40mm case offers a sleek and sophisticated look. But the true eye-catcher is the smoky gradient dial. This captivating design fades from transparent at the center to opaque around the edges, showcasing the intricate workings of the Swiss automatic Mido Caliber 80 movement, based on ETA C07.611 beneath. This reliable movement boasts an impressive 80-hour power reserve, keeping you on time even after taking it off for the weekend. The date window at 3 o'clock ensures easy readability, while luminous hands and indexes provide clarity in low-light conditions. With a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and 50-meter water resistance, the Mido Commander Gradient Automatic is a stylish and functional timepiece built to last. Number 2. Mido Commander Blue Shade M8429.3.25.11 is a Swiss-made masterpiece that exudes both classic charm and contemporary sophistication. The 316L stainless steel case features a polished finish that complements any attire, while the captivating blue shade dial adds a touch of personality. This isn't just a pretty face, though. A reliable Swiss automatic caliber 80 movement based on the ETA C07.651 ensures precise timekeeping, with an impressive 80-hour power reserve that keeps it ticking even after a weekend off your wrist. For easy readability, the watch features a classic date window at 3 o'clock. Protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal and boasting 50-meter water resistance, the Mido Commander Blue Shade is built to withstand everyday wear while remaining a timeless and elegant companion. Number 1. Mido Rainflower M043.207 6.131.0 is a stunning timepiece designed for the modern woman. This Swiss-made watch features a delicate 33mm stainless steel case in a rose gold PVD finish, exuding a luxurious and feminine aura. The mother-of-pearl dial shimmers with an iridescent beauty, accentuated by elegant Roman numerals and diamond hour markers that sparkle under any light. Despite its refined appearance, the Rainflower boasts a reliable Swiss quartz movement for precise timekeeping. The scratch-resistant sapphire crystal protects the watch face, and 50-meter water resistance allows you to wear it with confidence during daily activities. The Mido Rainflower is a perfect blend of sophistication, functionality, and Swiss heritage, making it a timeless accessory for the woman who appreciates understated luxury.